You've seen one of my previous videos, you know that someone dinged me in the parking lot. No note, no nothing. Well, it got me thinking about protection for the Toyota Tacoma. So I went to Tuffskinz and found their fender overlay protectors and also their lower truck bed panel overlay protection. The fender flare protection can add style and protection to your vehicle. It can protect the vehicle's paint and body from rocks, mud, sand, liquids, and other debris and add a rugged style to your vehicle. The lower truck bed panel protection also adds style and protection to your vehicle. It's designed to fit the bottom bed side of your truck behind the wheel well. With both the fender flare and truck bed overlays, they both last the lifetime of your vehicle. It's 100% carbon fiber with their tough liner material, and they have the same look and feel of spray and bed liner. They both have 3M automotive grade adhesive for an easy install, and it's made in the USA. So we're going to unbox it and then we're going to install it. Let's get busy. All right, let's unbox this. Two separate items. The first item goes down on the lower truck bed panel here. The other is for the fender flare. We need to clean it up really good before you put it on there. So we'll put the one on for the fender flare first. It's got a small film on the top of it. You'll have to take a knife to kind of pry it open first, and then you can... All right, let's line this up. Get it to match what came from the factory. Make sure it's spot on. And then we'll remove the film on the back and apply it. All right, let's remove the film. All right, so when you put it on here, just take your time, be patient, get it lined up perfectly, and then we'll use a squeegee to pull it down and to get out any creases or anything like that. Just take your time. All right, fender flare's done. Let's get the lower truck bed panel. Same exact thing. Take off the film, line it up, make sure it's perfect, and then we'll take off the back film and apply it. Let's get it started, and we'll start using the squeegee because this one's a little bit bigger. So let's just take our time and go slowly and pull it across. The key is just take your time and be patient. Don't get frustrated. Make sure all distractions aren't around you. All right, almost done. And then we'll take the squeegee and just make sure there are no air bubbles left. All right, do the same thing for the other side. Clean it up. We'll put the fender flare overlay protection on, and then we'll get the truck panel overlay protection. All right, we are done. All right, let me know what you think about these Tufskinz overlay protections for the fender flare and the lower truck bed panel. I'd love to hear what you've got to say about it. Thanks for joining me on this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and hitting that notification bell. And be sure to check my next video. I think you'll like it. We'll see you next time.